What's up, guys? Back with another video. For today's video, reacted to SixTONES, Imitation Rain, the first take. You guys are new to this channel, don't forget to leave a like and hit that sub button, man. We on the road to 4K. Really appreciate all the love and support. For every new supporter we get on this channel, you feel me? We're gonna change the numbers up there. Yeah, if you guys do want me to react to anything, don't forget to leave a comment down below and I'll get to your video. And without further ado, let's get straight into this video, trying to see what it's about. I wonder if it's really like that. Like, people go in the studio before they're about to sing and they do like practice remedies.
いいですか？はい。はい。いいよ。よろしくお願いします。
Okay, got a little bit of bass.
You said I will be the sky and you will be the sun to shine. Fake dreams 壊れてゆくガラスのバラのように
Hey, boy, I'm not gonna lie, this shit sound like it'll be in a fire ass anime.
Shall we play this game? 紅に染まるまで雨に打たれて 目を閉じて翼を広げて ラララララララララ指は飛び立つのさ
It's crazy. They all match their pitch. It kind of sounds like it's the same person. Like, say if you were like watching a fucking anime or something, or say if you were watching a movie, you wouldn't even realize. We'll fly. Imitation rain. 時には激しく心に降り注ぐ Shall we play this game? 紅に染まるまで雨に打たれて Dancing in the rain Till love comes alive. What's the meaning of life? What's the point of getting it right? 'Cause everything's fake. Everybody brings to keep the faith. Just say everything breaks. Price of fame, what's supreme? Cut my mind like a razor blade. Breaking down, I break. Hey, boy, that sounds like some lo-fi hip-hop. A little bit of jazz.
Down, peace of mind is shutting down. Should I play this endless game? Dancing in the rain.
Hey.
夢を求めて keep dancing in the rain till love comes to life.
Bro, this beat is so beautiful.
Shall we play this game? 紅に染まるまで雨に打たれて戻れない時を振り返る流れる時間を止めて My friend いつかはたどり着くよ夢の世界に Imitation rain 時には激しく心に降り注ぐ Shall we play this game 紅に染まるまで雨に打たれて
Hey, man. Them boys did a good job. I'm surprised nobody messed up. Oh, I love the piano, man. He had to play the whole time. You hear that white noise in the background. First take. Hey, man, I'm not gonna lie. That shit was pretty solid. That shit was pretty dope. That's the type of shit I want to do, honestly. Go in the stew with a bunch of my bros. You know, get down to business. Pause. I know that shit sound wrong. But pause, you feel me? I bet that whole moment right there was breathtaking. Shit. That's honestly something I'd like to participate in. You feel me? And what another thing that amazes me, instruments and electricity. What the fuck? That shit's just crazy. Wow. But yeah, man, if you guys like the video, don't forget to leave a like, hit that sub button, man. We on the road 4K. You feel me? Hopefully we can hit 4K by tonight. Don't know. Feel me? Really appreciate all the love and support, guys. If you guys do want me to react to anything, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I'll get to your video, man. Serious, man. Coming back with the double uploads. I think I've been double uploading for the past few days now. So, I mean, if you guys do want me to react to anything, just let me know, and I'll get right down to it. But, appreciate the love, guys. See you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.